for now.
Wait, we just. Okay, okay. So, you're using your laptop mic, right?
Oh
Um,
shit.
wait. What about the headphones that you got?
I told you my mic shit. You won't be able to hear me. I mean, I can try, but you probably won't be able to hear me.
Wait, what is funny? I'm so
What are you
confused.
laughing about? I'm so confused.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Snake.
Lily
Come
left
film.
me alone with you.
Oh my god. No, I'm sorry, I'm here. They're yelling at me in the game because there's an in-game mic, and I don't know what they're laughing at. What is funny?
Oh my
I
god.
have no idea.
Snake. Your voice went from 0 to 170.
No, it did not.
Oh my god, man.
Snake. I love your laptop mic. That shit sounds so funny. Oh my god. It's not because it's not because your voice sounds bad. It's just it goes from low to loud for some reason.
I don't know why.
I didn't notice it. Don't listen to them.
Oh man. Alright,
It's like she's in our ear, nigga. Snake.
Okay, lucky you.
oh my god, Yudi's playing party animals. Oh my god.
No, so that's sad.
Snake, do you got the game downloaded, Snake?
Oh shit.
Yes.
I think she still has it on her Xbox, so she's probably not here. Cause on Steam she's good. Oh my god, that was funny. Jesus.
I don't know what was funny, but okay.
No, no, cause Uni's been trying to like join us for like, well, never mind.
Sing the song. Sing.
Snake, have you tried
Snake, can
starting?
you say pilot commands, please?
Have you tried starting the game since you bought it?
Oh my god.
No, not really. I can try now.
Oh shit. Oh my god.
Snake, make sure to mute in the Discord.
Okay, wait.
My sound go? Nice.
Alright, Snack, this is a
Oh my god.
this is a safe level, so we'll teach you how to play real quick, okay?
It's like Spanish,
Oh,
but
Snack,
it's not.
Use
So
your-
it sounds like
oh my
Spanish.
god, she's a monster herself, bro. Jesus Christ.
She's not joining Little Company. That's cap.
She is.
No, she's not.
Nigga, check your
What the
Steam.
fuck? Wait, yeah, look.
Oh,
Wait, we need more company. What the fuck are we gonna do? Because
Yes.
Muddy needs to download all that shit.
Snack, Snack, it'll take like 3 minutes.
Snake, it'll take like 3 minutes.
I think that means no. She's angry. She's angry.
Okay. Snake. Hello? Uh-oh.
Oh, she's fucking terrified.
Oh, she's terrified. Oh, she disconnected. It's over.
Now she's moonwalking.